Hi everyone, my name is Kosta and today I'm gonna show you how to create this image Lightbox by Rockstar Games GTA 6 in Framer. So as you can see, when I hover on the image, it gets a border and then it changes its colors. So when I click on it, it expands, and now if I click on this icon right here, or if I click on the image, it gets back to default. So I got this image right here. Now I will create a frame. Click on layout, select the image, press Ctrl X, paste it inside the frame, unlock the size, change the width and the height to relative 100%. Name this stack card, right click, create a component. Now I will create this icon right here, so press O on your keyboard, create a circle, press Ctrl K, look up for icons. I will search for arrow and drag inside this arrow right here. Select the frame, name it icon, click on layout, select the icon inside and make it smaller. Right click and create a component. Let's go back to the Rockstar Games website and let me take a screenshot. I will paste it inside now. Select the icon variant and change the background to this color. Now select the arrows and change the color to this light yellow. Create a new variant and invert the colors now. So I will select the background and select the colors from the arrows. Select the arrows and select the colors from the background. Let me remove this screenshot. Create a new variant. Call this one close. And change the background color to this blue. Now hide the arrows. Press Ctrl K and look up for icons again. And this time I will search exit, drag this icon inside and go back to Rockstar Games website. Now I will make another screenshot. Select the exit icon and select this color right here. Okay. Go back to cart, press Ctrl X, select the variant, paste it inside, change the position from relative to absolute, click on these two icons right here, and then type in 32 and 32 pixels. Now create a hover variant, add a padding of 10 pixels, change the color to this yellow right here, and the icon variant should be number 2. Let's preview it, and as you can see, it works great. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is create a new variant. I will select the image inside the variant number 2, change the width to fit, select the variant and put it to fit content. So this looks good. Let's change this icon to variant number 3, which is close, and put it on top, 32 pixels. Now I forgot to add something for this icon right here, so I will double click on the icon and click on hover. Let's add a darker color. And now when I hover on this, it's gonna be darker. Alright, so go back to home. Press Ctrl C to copy the image. Click on overlays and create a fixed overlay. Let's change the index to 10 and paste inside the image. Make sure it's placed in the center. Change the variant from number 1 to number 2. So now let's change the size. Let's put it to relative 100%. And for the height, do the same thing, relative 100%. So let's preview it. As you can see, we have this hover effect, and now when I click on it, we got this. Now I'm gonna change the cursor to a zoom in and out icon. So let me go back to the component, select the first variant, click on cursor, then web cursor, click on this zoom in cursor right here, and then select the second variant, and now select the zoom out cursor. So let's preview it now. However, as you can see, when I click on this image, it doesn't close the overlay. So let's fix this. Select the overlay, select the card now, go to interactions and click right here, and then click on close overlay. Now let's preview it once again. And voila guys, this is how you create this Lightbox image effect in Framer. So this is it guys, thank you so much for watching this video, see you next time.